Hi friends, welcome back to the SK CAD solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare basic 3D model in CREO software. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and support me to do the more videos. And also I need to reach 1k subscribers within a month. Please support me. You can see I choose this drawing. All the dimensions are mentioned in the The base dimension is 80 by 80 and height is 20 mm. Select new part solid, remove use default template, select MMNS part solid, select plane, sketch, select center rectangle, give the dimension 80 by 80, click OK, select extrude, select 20 mm, click OK, change to shaded with edges. Now you can see there is a one flange that is height is 32 mm, width is 80 and thickness is 12 mm. Select this surface, sketch, here select corner rectangle, give the dimension 12 mm, finish sketch, extrude up to 32 mm, click OK. Now you can see there is a two side fillet. The dimension is R16. For that select fillet, give the dimension 16 mm, select edges, click OK. Then you can see there is a slat cutout. The dimension is 44 mm length, diameter is 12 mm, and from the top dimension is 16 mm. For that select the surface, sketch, select circle, give the equal constraint, select line, select delete segment, select both unwanted lines, we can change that for better visibility. This dimension I don't want. Select dimension from here to mm, here to 18, overall is 44 and R is 6. Finish sketch, select extrude, remove material, reverse the direction, select through hole, click OK. Select this and this, select mirror, select mirror plane, apply. Then you can see there is another flange, that thickness is 12, height from the bottom 50 and R25 mm. For that, select this surface, sketch, select line, give the dimension, diameter is 50, select here to here 50, select line, select delete segment, remove the unwanted lines, select tangent, select this and this, same select this and this, finish sketch, select extrude, reverse the direction, the thickness is 12 mm, okay. Now you can see there is a both side fillet, the fillet dimension they don't mention. I will give 12 mm fillet both side, select round fillet, give the dimension 12, select edges, click OK. Last holes is there, that holes diameter is 16. You can see there are two holes, the pitch is 14 mm and from the side 18 mm. Select this surface, so you can do with the whole feature also. Okay, I will go with whole feature only. Otherwise you can do, because 3 holes are there, that's the diameter is 16 mm. Select circle, diameter 16, select equal, okay. Pitch is 44 means 22 mm, this is also 22. Select this, already started. Okay, that's it. Finish sketch, extrude, remove material, reverse the direction through all. Okay. So that's it friends, all the features are added. You can see can compare both drawings. Now we can assign the save the part. Control S. We can save here also. Thanks for watching this video, friends. Please do subscribe my channel.